Imagine if minutes from now you could set up your own domain registration platform and get paid every time someone browses your shop or registers a domain. And you could do it all today while canceling your own GoDaddy and Namecheap domain renewals, all thanks to a revolutionary new app called ProfitDomain. ProfitDomain lets you create your own domain registrar platform and start selling as many domains as you can dream of. Fully automated. You get your own platform set up for you, and customers can purchase from there. You can set any prices you want. When you get an order, the system automatically registers the domain, pays the rock bottom registration fee, then sends you the difference. You can further monetize your domain shop with banner ads, affiliate offers, or by selling your own services like hosting, SEO, etc. And of course, you can use it yourself free of charge too. Starting your own domain service has never been easier. Step 1. Log into the cloud interface and insert your payment details. Step 2. Your own domain shop is set up for you, and sales automatically handled by the system, all fully hosted with no expense. Step 3. Get paid anytime someone registers a domain from your shop, plus monetize with ads, affiliate offers, and own services. How cool is that? Listen, you probably already own a few domain names yourself. I have over 50 of them. Buying from GoDaddy or Namecheap is always a headache, with non-stop upsells and paying 3 to 4x when renewing them a year later. And along with you, so are over 350 million other people. Yes, 350 million plus active domain subscriptions renewing annually. It's such a huge market, it's just mind-boggling. Now imagine being able not to just cancel your own domain subscriptions forever, but also start selling domains to others at rock bottom prices, much lower than GoDaddy or Namecheap. ProfitDomain lets you do it all, and it's AI-based, so once you configure it at the start, you don't need to do anything else. That's right, get ready to own your very own domain shop where you can auto-add millions of domains from every TLD, .com, .net, .org, etc. Sell unlimited domains and get paid for every sale. Register domain names for yourself and only pay the rock bottom registration fee. Monetize further with ads, upsell offers, affiliate products or services. Unlimited traffic built in. No need to